We are. What's up? What's up? So we're going somewhere. Where are we gonna go now?
We're going to this barbecue restaurant.
Have we been there before?
Yep.
Is it any good?
Yeah,
It's amazing. It's really, really good. So we're gonna go back again, and I'll link it to the back if you want to see the first time. We're gonna get some different stuff this time, but we're gonna go to the same place. And we are where?
right
Taipa?
now?
Yeah.
Taipa.
So we're in Taipa, and we're not too far from El Tira, so we're just gonna walk that way. And it's nighttime, so we'll come back, do a little intro, then we're gonna come over to the side. And oh, look at that! There's a Thai kitchen right there. I think that's been there for a while, right? So lots of nice restaurants everywhere. But we're gonna go around this corner and go down there, and we're gonna go to the barbecue one. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So we're gonna go to this place right here. It says barbecue restaurant. So we were just here last Friday actually, and we're gonna be back this Friday too because it was so good. I got the boy right here. He's pretty excited. You excited? You want some barbecue? Yes? Raise your hand if you want it. Okay. All right. So he's into it. And you want some barbecue as well?
Yep.
Me too. So and let's just show you this menu real quick. You got all kinds of stuff like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna label what we want, and then when it's ready, we can highlight it and just give it to them, and then we're gonna show you what we got. Looking pretty good. And that's our barbecue restaurant. And that's what it looks like. And we're on our Dr. Sun Yat-sen Avenida. It's in Taipa. We got a long queue, so I think we're number 21, right? So we're number 21, but right now it's at 13, so we have to wait for about 8 people, and we'll bring you on in there in a moment. Okay, so we're gonna wait in here, and so basically what we did is just circled some of them, put how many we wanted in there, so we're gonna get a bunch, and just kind of enjoy. There's more in the back as well, corn, all kinds of stuff. Spice your life up. Second time, and the second Friday in a row, right, that we came back. So obviously we really like the food a lot. And we just looked up the word. I just looked up that word, and I think it. What is it? What does those characters mean? Those 2 characters at the end. Baba.
I think it means Papa.
Papa.
But the birds are like they're like blocks. I mean, they look like blocks. So I'm not really sure.
So we're gonna get in there in a minute, and we're gonna enjoy. Okay, so it looks like we're next. So up on the board there it says number 21. So as soon as somebody leaves, we are in there. So what they do is they put their number up there, right there, and then we also have the number on this right here. Can you show them that number? So that just means that that we have to see when we're going to be coming in. So we're going to come in any minute. There's some COVID remnant stuff, because in the past we used to do this, and then that minute we could go in. So they still got it. It's funny that it's only a year ago when we had all these COVID restrictions. Anyways, we're almost in, so. Okay, so we're gonna go on in. Looks like we're gonna be right on the corner here. So you gotta go down that way. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna get some food. So this is pretty soon, this is gonna be filled with food. First one just arrived. Got a big smile. Anybody want some potato? Raise your hand if you want some potato. Alright. So the potatoes are gone, so those go there, and we're gonna fill that bucket up with some more of these coming up. Wow. We just got more, so let's put some more on here as well. That's filling up fast. We got a couple ready too. Slowly, slowly, but that's adding up. More and more. Definitely agree. You can see it, check it out right there. There's the QR code, you can scan it. Alright. Whew. So good.
Or like something like that. One of them, they're like super spicy.
So the total charge was 330. So we paid 330. So that was kind of expensive, but it was really, really good. So let's head on out. You want to bring that with us? You can bring that. You can bring it. So let's head on out that way. And we're out. Oh, I am super full. That was really, really good. Oh man. Now it's time to do this game.
Should we?
Yeah. Thanks for nice ending. Dun dun dun. And that was it for the barbecue restaurant. So that was it right there. This is Sun Yat Sun. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.